Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an HTML signature in Outlook in just a few simple steps. Start by clicking the File menu to open it. Click on Account Info and the Settings page opens, then the Settings dialog appears on your screen. Click the Signatures tab to open the signature settings. Click the Add Signature button to create a new signature, and the signature editor opens with a formatting toolbar across the top. In the Name field at the top, type a name for your signature. For this example I'm using Demo. Click into the large text field below and paste your HTML code directly in there. Click Save in the bottom right corner to finish, and the button shows a saving state. Your new signature now appears in the signatures list and is ready to use. If your HTML signature doesn't look right after pasting, double check that you copied the entire HTML code including all the opening and closing tags. You can edit your signature by going back to File, Account Info, then Signatures and selecting it from the list. To set it as your default, use the drop-down menus at the bottom of the Signatures page to choose which signature appears on new messages and which one appears on replies and forwards. And that's how to add an HTML signature in Outlook. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.